Open the paper bin and load the label paper. Connect the app via Bluetooth. Click on and off button and load the paper. Scan the barcode to find the label template. Double-click text to add it. Set the copy number and density according to your needs. Click barcode or QR code and double-click to add it. Click Scan to get barcode and a QR code. Click Image to insert a picture from the phone for printing. Slide right and choose Logo Material. There is a variety of logos. Click Intelligent and choose Image Recognition to recognize the text in the image and print. Choose Voice Recognition to convert speech to text and print. Import Excel tables. Prepare the table of the product information in advance. Click Insert Excel. Then share the table to Niimbot app to insert the table. Also, the table can be inserted from QQ and WeChat. Have better layout by text alignment.